What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform or turn this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of the man with the delightful smiling, and also I guess it's in the fair or another event. And after using the special prompt, this delightful picture or this cheerful picture can be turned into the totally spooky, creepy, and also still in the Halloween vibe. And as you can see here, there is I guess this is the hand of the monster emerged beneath of this bed of this man. Isn't that creepy, right? How to do that? It is very easy, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana. And if you would like to create this picture with your favorite Nano AI, then it is pretty okay. And here I will also share you the prompt that I used before. And also, if you'd like to use this Google AI Studio, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the look of the home page. And the next step is I would like to select the picture from my device or from the gallery. And for example, I will select this one. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. And basically, the prompt would be like this, guys. Transform the photo into the cinematic Halloween night scene. The person, I will show you again. The person, should be lying on the bed, keeping the same face. As you can see, the face is still maintaining the same and outfit, but with a slightly scared and tense expression. And the camera angle is from the low side perspective near the floor, revealing the underside of the bed and also the dark space beneath it. And a monster's claw hand reaching up from the under the bed, grabbing toward the person arm or blanket. So this arm reaching the blanket over here. And also the room is dimly with moody cinematic lighting, and after that a mix of cool blue moonlight and warm orange glow from the jack-o'-lantern. This is the very identity of the Halloween. And also include the subtle Halloween details like the cobwebs and a carved pumpkin and faint shadow bed on the wall, this one. And the atmosphere should feel eerie, suspenseful, and realistic with detailed texture, cinematic depth of field, and dramatic shadow play. And his eyes stare at the creepy hand like this. So if you already have this prompt, you can start to, let's say, screenshot it, or you can copy it from the description box. And after that, I will continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, basically this is the same prompt that I used to create this picture. Isn't that cool and also creepy at the same time, right? So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And don't forget to try this prompt into your version. And please let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. And also if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.